Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this Peter Pan African print collar necklace. So by the way, these are all my social media pages, so if you don't follow me, please follow me so that we can connect outside of YouTube. So first I started with these two fabrics which were all 12 by 12 inches, and then I folded them 4 times, as you can see like in the picture, and then I marked them so that I can get like a circular shape out of them. Unfortunately, I don't have the video of how I folded them, but I'm hoping that you guys understand from here. And then right at the corner I marked 2.5 inches, just like that. And then I also cut it the same way that I did, and I'm using my pinking shears as you can see in the video. So when I open it up, I get something that looks like that, sort of like a donut kind of shape. And then at this point, this was my first time making this necklace. I folded it in half, and then I took my curved roller and then I just placed it on top of my fabric like that. Then I tried to draw like a curve using my chalk, and then I cut this away using my scissors. So when I opened it up, I had that kind of shape. So at this point I cut it like that, but like looking back, I probably shouldn't have cut it because it wouldn't really make any difference at all, because I was going to be wearing this necklace from the front. And then there I was just pointing at the places that I went on to sew. So after sewing both pieces, now I had 2 pieces, and then I just cut away the threads like that. And then so I just made this little snip so that when I turn it inside out, it can be like flat. And I did this on both pieces. And then I now started turning them inside out. And then I just went over that with an iron to make it lie nice and flat. So meaning that if I did not cut that part that I cut, at this point I was just going to be having one piece, and I was going to be turning inside out and ironing one piece. Then I now took out my black satin ribbon. My ribbon is about 1 inch wide, by the way. And then I now started inserting my ribbon, sort of like I was piping. or binding to per se. So it's as if I was binding that raw edge. And then I just pinned it with pins as I went along. So there, at that point I was done, and you notice that I removed the pins and I had tucked. So at this point when I was stitching, I was just sewing over. I did a tucking stitch because when sewing something like satin is very slippery, and I couldn't just rely on pins because I know that the satin fabric sometimes is very slippery. So I did a tucking stitch, and then I just went over it with my sewing machine. So when I was done stitching, I now removed that tucking stitch that I did. Then I just cut away any loose threads. So the way I wear this necklace is by just tying a nice, like, cute little bow in front of the necklace. And that is the result. I did add some beads to the edge of the necklace. And by the way, this was my first time making this video. It was my first time to actually make this kind of necklace, and so this was the result. So you can also add your own variations and stuff. You guys can just be creative with it. You can add some rhinestones, you can add some extra beading and all those kinds of things. And I also hope you like my tribal sort of like makeup in this video. I just decided to try something new. I've never done something like this before. So if you have not seen my collar necklace, I also have another collar necklace of these colors that I'm showing right now, and I'm going to leave this video at the end of this video. So if you'd like to see that, then just click on the video. And thank you so much for watching this video.